Hi everybody, today we're going to show you how to make garlic chili mayonnaise, and we're making it from scratch, so we're not just getting some mayonnaise and putting some garlic and chili in. We're going to show you how to make mayonnaise, how to make garlic chili mayonnaise, or you can just take the garlic out and have chili mayonnaise. But once you've learned how to make mayonnaise, you can put pretty much anything you want in. We quite often make a smoky mayonnaise, which is really nice. Right, so let's get started with the garlic chili mayonnaise. I've got my head cam on so that you can see inside this bowl and you can see exactly what's going on. Now you can do this by hand if you want to. The best way I've found is by getting yourself a mini compact blender with a lid and a funnel so that you can just drizzle your oil in really slowly. If you get this sort of set up, it takes about 60 seconds to 2 minutes to make the whole thing, and it's phenomenal. Okay, so 2 fresh eggs, free range if you can get them. Straight in, no messing about. 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. 1 nice big dollop of mayonnaise, teaspoon dollop. Into that squeeze half a lemon. Just a light squeeze. Don't get any pips in there. Next, a couple of cloves of garlic for the garlic flavour. If you don't want to make garlic chili mayonnaise, you just want to make chili mayonnaise, don't put the garlic in. We use kashmiri chili powder. It's a very mild powder, so you don't get that serious heat in your garlic chili mayo. You don't want serious heat in it, otherwise it'll just overpower everything. So we just put a teaspoon kashmiri chili powder, and then to give it a little bit of heat, we just put a scant of chili powder, hot chili powder. Next, just a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper, and then let's give it a blitz. Just make sure all the garlic's mixed up. Okay, so the second final ingredient is 400 millilitres vegetable oil or sunflower oil. You can use either. You need to add this really slowly at the beginning. Because we're doing it this way, it's a lot faster than if you're doing it by hand. But you do need to add it really slowly. So you're not going to be able to hear me talk, so I'm going to fire it up, and hopefully the head camera will pick up just how slow I'm drizzling this oil in. Right, here goes. Now I can start adding it a little bit faster now. Now we can add it even faster. Fingers crossed, you should have some nice, serious garlic chili mayonnaise with one more ingredient to go. Oh, it just needs that sweetness now. We're just going to add some sweetness to it. And then I'm going to add some honey. About a teaspoon of honey is all you really need. If you like it sweeter, add some more. But you do need a little bit, just to balance the acidity of the whole thing. Right, final blast. And it's done. I mean, this is just right. This is how I like it. Falling off a spoon, but also holding on at the same time. That's my perfect mayonnaise. It does thicken up a little bit more once it's been in the fridge and obviously got a little bit cooler. But yeah, that's perfect for me, mayonnaise. Wow. Nice little kick to it, nice sweetness, but you can still taste all the other ingredients as well. The garlic's coming through, the lemon's coming through, the white wine vinegar, and Dijon mustard. We get these jars with the little sort of rubber lids, and we basically just boil the kettle, pour the water in, leave it for 20 seconds, empty it out, and then it's pretty much sterilised. And then we add all this to it. It goes in the fridge. It's going to last about 2 weeks in the fridge, I would say. Maybe a little bit longer if you're not opening the jar all the time. But we're in and out. And I must admit, this doesn't last 2 weeks anyway. Because like I say, the family just absolutely loves it. Give it a go, see what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, let me know how you got on with it, what you think of it, what other ingredients you might have added to it, whether it's, I don't know, lemon, chocolate, whatever sort of mayonnaise you fancy trying. You can do pretty much any coffee. I've got some coffee here, we could have put some coffee in it. Who knows? Let us know what you come up with. It'd be fantastic to see what other types of mayonnaise you come up with. Like I say, we do a smoky one as well. We've got some liquid smoke. Put a teaspoon of liquid smoke in. That's absolutely beautiful as well. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.